Hello students, in this video we are going to study about Greibach normal form, GNF. The last video we have discussed about Chomsky normal form. So what is Chomsky normal form? There will be a restriction on the length of the production which appears on the right hand side of the production. But here there is no restriction on the length of the grammar, but the restriction occur on the position in which terminals and variables appear. So in CNF we consider the length, here we consider the position. So that is Greibach normal form. So take the example. So when the grammar A implies A alpha. What is alpha? At the right hand side, the first symbol, always it should be the terminal symbol. The terminal symbol should be followed by any number of terminals or non-terminals. That is, doesn't matter, any number it can come. But the first symbol should be the terminal. If it is in this form, then it is said to be in GNF. Okay, so the right hand side, the first symbol should be the terminal symbol. That is called GNF. The first symbol on the right hand side of the production should be a terminal, followed by 0 or more number of variables. Any number of variables can appear after the first terminal symbol. Any number of variables can appear. Take this example. S gives AA or BB or BB. So A gives AA, BB, B gives B. So take the first rule. So in this rule, S gives A. So first symbol is a terminal symbol and then a non-terminal. So take the second rule, B. So first symbol is a terminal and then followed by the non-terminal. So same way here also, first is a terminal and non-terminal, and in this also A. So that is first is terminal and non-terminal. First is terminal and then non-terminal. Terminal. B. So that is terminal symbol. So this grammar is in GNF. Since the RHS of all the production is a terminal followed by 0 or more variables, this is said to be in GNF. So now reduction of CFG to Greibach normal form. So we have to reduce the context-free grammar to Greibach normal form. So Greibach normal form, just now we discussed, that is right hand side, the first symbol should be the terminal. So we have to reduce the grammar. The grammar is given, so that grammar have to be reduced to Greibach normal form. So Greibach normal form means it should be in this form. So we have to reduce it. So for that there is an algorithm. So study the algorithm. So step 1, obtain the grammar in CNF. First is we have to obtain the grammar in CNF form. CNF is Chomsky normal form. So we have to, first step is to obtain the grammar in CNF. After obtaining the grammar in CNF, rename the non-terminals. We have to rename all the non-terminals to A1, A2, A3. This is the second step. Third step is using substitution method. We learnt about substitution method. So using substitution method, obtain the production to the form AI implies AJ alpha. So what is I and J? I should be always less than J. This is very important. When we solve the problem, you will understand. So always using the substitution method, when we derive the production should be of this form. AI implies AJ alpha. I is always less than J. And what is alpha? Alpha can be of any terminal or non-terminal. So after the fourth step, after substitution, if the grammar has left recursion. What is left recursion? Left recursion is left hand side and right hand side. If we have the same symbol, that is called left recursion. So that left recursion, if it is there, that has to be eliminated. And repeat step 3 and or step 4 to get the grammar in GNF. We have to repeat the substitution method to get the grammar in GNF. So this is the algorithm. This algorithm we need to apply in the problems and convert the grammar into GNF. So in the next video we will solve the problem using this grammar. Thank you.